Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make a very quick snack, the spicy puffed rice. If you are running out of time and if you want to munch something very spicy, then you should definitely give it a try. So let's see how to do it. Take a wide pan and the heat should be from low to medium. Add some oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, add around 10 garlic pods. The garlic should be crushed before adding to it. I have not peeled the garlic. Just fry them until they turn golden brown in color. Once the garlic changes its color, now add the raw peanuts to it and fry them until they turn crispy. After frying the peanuts, add the roasted bengal gram to it and fry them nicely until they slightly change the color. Now add the curry leaves to it. Then fry it nicely. After that, add the turmeric powder, chili powder, hing. Mix them all together. You should be very careful so that the spices doesn't burn. Add the required amount of salt. Then finally add the puffed rice and mix it until all the spices are nicely coated on the puffed rice. And that's it, the spicy puffed rice is ready within 10 minutes. A very crispy and tasty snack is ready within 10 minutes. Try this recipe at your home and share your comments with me. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more recipes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's spread the love for food.